Hey guys, welcome to Exam Tricks. In Exam Tricks, you learn tricks to remember simple GK or anything. So here we will learn a trick to remember the reactivity series of metal. Now, why it is important to remember the reactivity series of metal? Suppose you get a question in which there are such compounds. You will be really in trouble, and you will think that wow, what question they have put. It is a deep chemistry question, but it is not like that. This is a below 10th standard concept. So you are supposed to know this if you are going to take any exam, right? If you are going to take any exam that contains science, you are supposed to know this. And the easy way to know this is to remember this reactivity series. And whenever there is a reaction, you are supposed to find out the product of the reaction containing any of these metals. You will be able to find or have an idea that what will happen, which metal will replace, or which metal won't be able to replace the salt of the other metal. So let us go to the concept. Let us understand a bit of concept about this. Let us assume metal X is higher in the reactivity series, means suppose potassium. It is the highest. So more reactive than metal Y. Obviously, potassium is more reactive than any of these compounds. This means that metal X, suppose potassium, can react with metal Y, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and reduce the salt of the metal Y. And it can reduce the salt of any of these metals. This means that metal X can react with metal Y and reduce the salt of the metal X, okay, or oxides. In other words, metal X will displace metal Y from its compound because metal X is more reactive than metal Y. For example, if we add iron to the CuCl2 aqueous solution, iron will throw this copper out and make a compound with Cl2. Because we see iron is at a better position or at a higher position than copper. We can see here. Similarly, now if zinc, we will add zinc, it will also replace copper. Magnesium, it will also replace copper. So this way, the complex, if you would not have read this, or if you would not have gone through this reactivity series, this particular reactions would have seemed alien to you, right? But knowing a little bit of concept and a clever way to remember certain things can make extra marks. These 1 2 marks really matter a lot in cutthroat competition that we have today. So how to remember this reactivity series? It is very easy. You know, you are not a chemist, so it is difficult to remember potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum in a particular order. If you would have been a chemist, then it would have been easy because you are dealing with these things in your daily life. But you don't deal these things in your daily life. So how to remember them in a particular order? Here we have a trick. We have a trick to remember these. Now we have replaced each metal, or there is a non-metal also, hydrogen, or in the upper portion we had carbon also. It was right below aluminum. We have removed carbon. This is a metal reactivity series. Remember always. So we have replaced each metal with a word. You deal with these words in your daily life. So it is really easy for you to remember these words, right? So we have replaced a word having the same initials. Like we have replaced please in place of potassium, send in place of sodium. So I have made a thing. Please send lions, cats, monkeys, and zebras into lovely hot countries. Signed, General Penguins. Now you can modify it. Countries which signed general pledges to protect these animals, right? So now this sentence means something. Lions, cats, monkeys, and zebras are the animals which need to be protected. Make a story in your mind, and please send the lion, cat, monkey, and zebra into lovely hot countries which signed general pledges to protect these countries. Now you can also remember penguin pledges or anything like that. So this way you will be able to remember the reactivity series, and hence will be able to solve simple chemical reactions which often examiners give in the paper to just test whether that candidate is serious or not, because these concepts are very easy. If you know this, you can solve it in 2 seconds, right? And if you don't know, your marks is gone. 1 marks is gone, easy thing is gone. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the exam trick channel. We will try to make more such videos in science. Recently we have been getting a request that please make videos on biology, chemistry and science, so I'll be making more such videos. Please don't forget to hit like, because if you like our videos, it gives us motivation. And if you subscribe, then the next video I make, you will get an email, and you will know, and you know that our videos are helpful. Thanks for watching. Hit like.